Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add checkbox on Google Sheets mobile. So guys, here I have already prepared my table on my Google Sheets, and for example, I'm going to add checkbox to this checkbox column. So the first thing we're going to do is selecting the column or the row that we want to add checkbox, and we can just tap and hold on the column, then we can drag it like this. And after you have selected the column that you want to add checkbox, you can tap on this three dots button, then you're going to select data validation. Okay, and on this data validation you can select the criteria right here, and there will be some option for you. And since we want to add checkbox, we can tap on the checkbox. Okay, and after we're done selecting the checkbox, we can tap on save right here to save this rule. Alright, and as you can see now, the checkbox has been added to the checkbox column. Alright guys, and that's how we can add checkbox on Google Sheets mobile. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.